everybody, and welcome back. Another new year, and we'll start planting again really. Today I'm going to be chitting some potatoes. I'm going to be planting some onion sets, maybe a couple of pumpkins, a few long red peppers and some spring onions. So basically with the old potatoes, what we're looking for is a little growing part, as they call that, chitting. A couple there you can see just about, and then just stick them in the container. I've got some down there already. Oh, there's a nice one up. There are little growing tips there. You could actually cut that in half, make 2 or 3 potatoes out of that one. Another one just growing there, so you've got to be fairly careful with them. These are King Edwards, by the way, which is a late main crop. That's why they're quite large. As you can see, still growing. Got quite a few shoots coming on there actually, which is quite good. A few springs here now, we can get things done. Been down the allotment. Got a few beds cleared, and we've been allowed to put polytunnels up this year, first time ever. So we've got polytunnels down on the allotment, and we'll be looking forward to growing some early vegetables in those. As you see, I'm still just starting some of them. Obviously some a bit further forward than others. You've got to be careful not to knock them off. Oh. So I'll put that one in there. Don't forget to label it. There we go. These are King Edwards. Get them out of the way. I've got some other ones here. They're growing well. These are called Jazzy. They're quite an early one. I also I'm going to use an old egg carton for these. I'm going to be growing some of these on in the conservatory, so I'll get a really early crop. Oh, careful. Not bad. Oops. Good. So once again, don't forget the label. And put them over there. That's good. Right, now I like to start off my onions in a tray. It gives them a bit of a head start. And get a nice root growth before you actually go and plant them out. And all you have to do is just pop them in. And you've got no problem with the birds pulling them up because they're indoors. Make sure you plant them up the right way, of course. One of these ones. These are Stuttgarter, so they're quite a nice size onion. So I've always done them this way. You end up with a really good root system before you go and plant them in the ground. Which way's up going? I sit down. Okay. So we'll give these a nice little water later on, and I'll show and make another tray of these. I'll save the rest of them for later. Don't forget a label. Oh, I had a label in there actually. so we know what that is. Right, I'm going to plant Atlantic giant pumpkin seeds. So we'll give it a go. And get 1 seed per pack. So I'm going to plant 2 seeds for now. See, I've already labelled that one up. Just don't cut through the seed. And there you go. 1 seed. But they're supposed to go into a really big pumpkin, which is getting there, quite good. Right, I'm going to plant some spring onions now, and also I'm just going to put these into a little pot here, and I'll transplant them later to where they're going to go. Just give it a good shake, and I'll just put them in like that. And you know that's going to give you a nice succession of onions, and next week I'll do the same, and the week after that I'll do the same again. So already labelled it spring onions, and I'm going to sow some long sweet peppers. I like these, they grow well down here, Allotment. I mean, it does say on the packet there, sow indoors 8 weeks before the last frost. We're into February now, aren't we? So March, April. I think that's enough to be starting with. I'll be able to prick them out later on and put them onto little pots of their own. And there we are, long red peppers. Well, thanks for watching, and that's the first one of the year down. We'll have a few more coming later on. Thanks a lot, bye then.